Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an eyebrow tutorial. So this is more of like a natural brow guide to just show you how where your natural brow starts, arches and ends. Now we can begin with the process. Everything is in the description down below with their links. So I start out by just putting the glue, the got2b glue, inside my little brow hairs, and I usually just brush not up but in a slanted way, kind of in a way that your natural brow kind of grows. So I just continue using slanted movements, and at the end I just kind of carve it out till the tail. And now we're just gonna clean the outside layer outside of the brows and remove the glue, and just repeat everything on the other side. Here I'm using the Skinny Definer L'Oreal pencil, but you can use any brow pencil as long as it's nice and thin and like kind of precise. So what I'm doing here is outlining the shape of the brow that I want for today. It differs every day. So when I'm done with that, I just lightly fill in the little gaps where I feel like, okay, I don't have hair here, to create a full nice brow. And just I kind of go in the shape of the little like hair shapes of my brow. Yeah, that's basically what I do, but I mostly just really take my time until I feel like, okay, this is the one. Okay, so I go a little bit in the front of the brow to just kind of give it a more fuller look, and just brush it out to give it a more natural brushed out look. And I just kind of continue the same process on the other side. Just really take your time in filling each little brow. Even after you conceal, you can always come back to just fix it up a bit and just perfect it to the way that you see fit. Okay, so now that we're gonna go in with concealer, I use a really nice flat brush and just apply the concealer to the brush, and very slowly and very gently just align and clean up where I need to. I usually wax I started waxing my eyebrows just to help the eyebrow process, because it can be so long for me. It is like the longest thing while I do my makeup, so it just really helped me to just finish things up. So I just slightly go with the brush in, and I blend in very lightly. I'm going to blend down, but ignore that, because I'm just gonna, after this I was gonna go do a full face of makeup. You can just blend till just by the brow for a natural look if you just wanted to do your brows for the day, but this is basically what I do. I just blend till my eyelid when I do a full face of makeup. So the secret here is really taking your time. I blend everything with a foundation brush. I love this foundation brush. I got it from Dischem, and I just really love the way it blends. I just kind of squeeze it in to obviously like go within the size of like the whole size of my eye, and just give it a more precise blend. So I just use really like nice tapping motion to blend everything out. I rarely like swipe unless like I need to move product that's really stubborn, but I just use like tapping motion at the start and then continue blending where I need it to go. Yeah, and that's what I continue doing. I do the same thing with the sponge. I just use a sponge after to just give it like a more seamless blend, to not kind of like a brush does leave a lot of product, so the sponge kind of helps me to just buff everything out. So you see here, I'm kind of going in again with the pencil to just perfect everything, because obviously after concealer things are gonna be like washed out and everything. So this is just to clean up, sharpen up, and it'll be fine. And there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon. I hope this was helpful. Love you.